Garland Pose or Malasana is a deep squat. It stretches the thighs, groin, hips, ankles and torso. That's why it's a great exercise in case you're sitting too much. In general, Malasana improves balance and promotes concentration and focus. How to do Malasana or Garland Pose. Come to stand with your feet mats wide apart. Bend the knees and lower your butt toward the floor to come into a squat. Take your upper arms inside your knees and bend the elbows to bring the palms together in front of your heart. Continue to press your upper arms into thighs and thighs into your upper arm to stay engaged and centered. Try to stay in an upright position without rounding the back. The buttocks moving towards the floor and the shoulders are relaxed.